Racing just started talaga. Break quickly, restart, Conqueror in the middle portion. The pit hapon, flight on time. Then next on land is New Dawn. No boundary, Queen Maker, while Master Cutter is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have flight on time by about 3/4 of a length lead. The pit hapon moving up now on the outside. 5 lengths further back in third comes New Dawn, no boundary. Moving up now on the outside is Queen Maker talaga. Conqueror comes next, while Master Cutter is still racing unless we have the pit hapon now takes command by about 4 lengths, and in second is flight on time, no boundary. Now moving up on the outside, Queen Maker, then comes New Dawn, Conqueror talaga, while Master Cutter is still racing in less than a 4 turn. We have the pit hapon by about 4 lengths, and in second is no boundary. Queen Maker remains in third. New Dawn comes next, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have the pit hapon by about 5 lengths. No boundary remains in second. And on the outside, New Dawn with about 100 meters of the race. We have the pit hapon followed by no boundary, New Dawn. And finally, the program opener, the pit hapon, no boundary, New Dawn. Then comes Queen Maker.
Sino yung panlima? 7.
Conqueror eh. Pero papasok yung